I like that so far.
You like it so far? Yeah. Really? I didn't try mine yet. I need to go try it. Guys, this food is really good, super healthy, so... Welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be a really good, healthy cooking video, so stay tuned. I know you're going to love the food. Coco and Dasheen are like my new favorite ones now. I feel like also because they're new and I'm not used to them. No, I mean like new to me.
Oh.
Like newer vegetables that were just built. You thought I was saying? Yeah, I never had Coco before coming here, and Dasheen definitely I never had before coming here. Alright, this is the cabbage now. One time we should try the purple cabbage too.
Try it already, it's nice.
Oh, when I was here we had it?
The juice is really nice.
Oh, I never had juice before. That sounds good. Okay.
Cut the clothes and show the people how we cut it.
Yeah, true. This is so much food. It's super crazy.
You have to eat food.
True.
Get strong. But the fast food not make you strong.
Yeah, it's true.
You have to eat them hard food, especially when you work hard and fully active up yourself. You have to eat good food.
So true.
In a sense, you save up money. And you not eat healthy. Because you're unhealthy and have millions. A lot of people miss do that.
No, yeah, true.
You have to stay poor and healthy.
But sometimes I try and save money and just eat less food, but still healthy food. Yeah, I do that all the time, actually.
No, I mean, it's important to save. But me I say, I save everything and I eat healthy.
Yeah, true.
You know what I mean?
They try and trick you to think that unhealthy food is cheaper, but a lot of times it's not. Even fast food, like KFC even, is expensive. And all fast food places are, and Wendy's. We went to Wendy's the other day, guys, in Kingston. That place was expensive, I feel like.
Not really.
Really? Yours was expensive. Mine was kind of cheap.
Yeah, my uncle, that's why I do the max and I check in and say, if you have a rental car, how much money you don't make it.
Cutting the okra now.
Okra, go in the people. Want a small onions, because the onion is too big.
Oh, maybe there's one in the freezer.
Most of the start, now get one.
Alright. Oh yeah, from the vegetable store. Tomatoes. I think last time when you made this it didn't have tomatoes, so this time it'll be even more interesting. Okay, and here's the pot boiling.
With some pumpkin and everything,
I feel like this is one of the healthiest meals that you make. Well, they're all healthy, but this one I feel like just extra healthy since we have all the cabbage. Okay, he's gonna add some seasoning now. He just reached by. Sorry. Guys, I thought I stepped on a bug or something. Anyway, he reached behind to throw away the trash, and that was like super move. Anyway, some seasoning's going in the pot. Which seasoning is this? Chicken?
It's all purpose.
All purpose. And some chicken seasoning now. What's this one?
That's some fish seasoning.
Oh, fish seasoning. What would you add before? The basil seasoning?
No matter which one comes before.
No, just to tell them because I didn't. It was basil.
Yeah.
Okay, some thyme. Pimento. Ooh, that smells so good. The thyme? Guys, the thyme is super strong.
Yeah, so I pick up the saltfish people and make it soak it. Boil, I just scale off it. So I pick out all the bones we can find. And then now I make it go and soak in the fresh water and soak off. So I boil it, scrape off all of the scale take out all of the bones. So I look for bone like this. Get rid of them.
Oh, so when it's soaking now, that's what gets the salt out of it?
Yeah, so that's what gets the salt out of it.
Okay.
Now it boil out the salt already.
Okay.
Yeah, when the cabbage almost steam, then we can put...
Okay.
Yeah, I can show them how the food them look. Yeah, man, this is all of the food.
They boil really fast.
Yeah.
That's
So I'm
really
test
good.
them now. Pumpkin boil. What? Dashing boil. What? Cocoa boil. What? White yam boil. What? Dashi. What? Renta yam. What?
Sounds like you're saying rent a yam.
They look on the cook.
Wow. Looks perfect.
We'll show them and look at demonstration how you know when you cook.
Okay.
Look at that. Look how it broke easy.
Oh. So
See that?
mm-hmm.
So you know, so that cook the people.
That's so nice that they all cook at like the same speed.
Yeah, man. Some will cook before some, but they just time the rest and cook.
Oh. Okay. This cooks down fast too.
It's steam.
Oh yes. I didn't know you could steam things without water. I thought you always need water to steam stuff.
Certain stuff you can steam without water, like cabbage, but you put a little tip of water.
Oh, okay, okay. So you can add a little water.
Yeah. But cabbage produce its own water, yeah?
Yeah, true. I think cabbage is like mostly water, like same as like cucumber. Okay, guys. He's sharing out the food now. It's actually the first time I'm gonna have like a big piece of pumpkin like this. I've only had it so far in the rice.
This is here now.
Oh, this one?
Yeah.
Okay, so I get a small piece of pumpkin.
Yeah, come in my waste it. So if you want more, you can.
Okay. Sounds good.
Yum, dashi, yum, pumpkin, cocoa.
Yeah, I really want the cocoa. Thank you.
If you want more food, you can get.
Yeah, true. You always give me too much food. It's really good. Okay, you guys, here's the 3 plates. Looks really good. Super hot. You can see all the steam. Okay, guys, we're gonna go eat this now and watch a movie outside. Alright, how's the food?
Alright, that's a far.
You like it so far? Yeah, it looks really good. Alright, guys, and this is where I was saying the movie is. Outside. So, really? I didn't try mine yet. I need to go try it. Yeah, they both say it's really good. Oh. Yeah, that sounds perfect. And not too watery. It's like the perfect texture. Okay. Alright. That is it. You guys, it's super good. I just tasted it. The saltfish is perfect. It's not too salty. Cabbage is really good. Steamed really good. I haven't tried the boiled foods yet, actually. But I want to taste the pumpkin now. Really good. You guys, this food is really good. Super healthy. So let me know what you guys think if you guys have eaten this before too. And see you in my next video. Bye.